Hello and welcome to another engaging episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of maintenance, reliability, and asset management. In this episode, we'll gain insights from a seasoned professional with over 20 years of experience in the field, discuss the importance of asset management education across all levels of a maintenance organization, and even touch upon international standards like ISO 55000. Stay tuned, as you won't want to miss these invaluable insights that could enhance your team's success. Today we're joined by Suzane Greeman, a seasoned professional with over 2 decades of experience in asset management. Suzane is the president and principal asset management advisor at Greeman Asset Management Solutions, Inc., specializing in advisory, consulting, and educational services. Suzane kicks off our discussion by emphasizing the importance of asset management education across all levels of a maintenance organization. She shares her journey from starting as an instrument technician to becoming a guru in asset management. Suzane's career has spanned various asset-intensive industries, including cement production, power generation, and wastewater treatment, giving her a broad perspective on the challenges and solutions in these fields. One of Suzane's key insights is the relationship between maintenance, reliability, and asset management. She advocates for asset management to be a corporate function with governance responsibilities, rather than being tucked under maintenance. This separation, she argues, allows for better quality control and waste reduction across all departments involved with asset management. Suzane also highlights the significance of standards like ISO 55000, explaining how they provide a global framework that can be applied across industries and asset types. This standard, she notes, is crucial for running asset-intensive businesses effectively by incorporating business, financial, and risk management aspects. Throughout our conversation, Suzane stresses the need for integrated business processes that allow information and successes to be shared across an organization. This approach helps break down silos and ensures that all departments are aligned in their goals and strategies. For those looking to advance their careers in this field, Suzane advises focusing on education and understanding the broader scope of asset management. Whether you're a technician looking to specialize further or a manager aiming to oversee larger projects, understanding the principles of asset management and how it ties into overall business objectives is key. Suzane's passion for asset management is also evident in her recent publication, the Risk-Based Asset Criticality Assessment Handbook. This book guides readers on how to effectively assess asset criticality by considering both business impacts and asset-specific factors. It's a must-read for anyone serious about improving their asset management practices. To connect with Suzane and learn more about her work, reach out on LinkedIn. She's also active in providing educational courses and resources for professionals in the industry. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed the importance of asset management education, the role of standards like ISO 55000, and the need for integrated business processes. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and stay tuned for more from Masterminds in Maintenance.